We will discuss on the topic of playing with numbers. So first of all, what is natural numbers? What do you mean by natural numbers? Numbers which we used in the counting is called natural numbers. For example, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and so on. All are natural numbers. Now what do you mean by whole numbers? If 0 is included in the collection of natural numbers, the new collection is called whole numbers. For example, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and so on. All are whole numbers. Now, prime numbers. What do you mean by prime numbers? The numbers other than 1 whose only factor are 1 and the number itself are called prime numbers. For example, here 1, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19 are the prime numbers, but keep in mind that 2 is the smallest prime numbers, which is even. Now, what do you mean by CoPrime numbers? Two numbers having only 1 as a common factor are called CoPrime numbers. For example, 4 and 15 are CoPrime numbers because in the factor of 4 and in the factor of 15 only 1 is a common factor. So these are CoPrime numbers. Now what do you mean by composite numbers? Numbers having more than 2 factors are called composite numbers. For example, 8, 15, 27, 121, these all are composite number because these all numbers having more than 2 factors. So note it, 1 is neither a prime number or not a composite number. Now even number. What do you mean by even number? A number which is divisible by 2 is called an even number. For example, 8, 16, 82, 124, 132, 2178, 1948, etc. These all numbers are divisible by 2. Therefore, these are even numbers. Now, what do you mean by odd numbers? Numbers which is not divisible by 2 is called an odd number. For example, 9, 15, 81, 121, 135 and so on, etc. These all numbers are known as odd number because these numbers cannot be divided by 2. Perfect number. What do you mean by perfect number? A number for which sum of all its factor is equal to twice the number is called a perfect number. So for example, the numbers 6 and 28 are perfect numbers because the sum of factors is just twice of the given number.